You people are very lucky that you have access to internet, access to a lot of information from various different sources. And as Rashika pointed out, government websites are very, very authentic source of information, particularly for UPSC point of view. आप देखिए UPSC does not take into consideration any vague information from any vague source. पहले क्या था योजना कुरुक्षेत्र जो हम अपने टाइम में पढ़ते थे बिकॉज वी डिडंट हैव एक्सेस टू इंटरनेट उस टाइम तो कुछ था ही नहीं एंड द ओनली सोर्स ऑफ ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन यूज्ड टू बी either Doordarshan news or discussions and the newspapers. And that habit I developed from my school days. Let's take this news. Government forms panel to look into Manrega's efficacy. What can you make out of it? What is the important term in this headline? Isn't it? Because the whole news revolves around this. मनरेगा क्या है, कब शुरू हुआ, कैसे implement होता है, who are the beneficiaries, and when we say efficacy means how to increase the efficiency of the program. As he said, if you go to government websites, you will see various government programs, and every second day some new program is being added. Jan Aushadhi Yojana. You know, when I come from Gurgaon, I drive myself. I take a turn towards Gangaram Road, and left side is a chemist shop. Jan Aushadhi Yojana, Pradhan Mantri. Immediately I see that. And this is how you should observe the word around. And then I start thinking, what is this Jan Aushadhi Yojana? When it started, how it is going to benefit, who are the beneficiaries, what change it is bringing. Like, selling at generic medicine prices. They claim up to 90% off on that. Right? Then you have like this scheme, okay, we come to this. So what I used to do, and I suggest that it is a success formula, let me tell you. No doubt about that. You will realize it after 5 months, 6 months when you go for your examination. You have different notebooks. Please, इसको computer को छोड़ दीजिए. Why I am saying so? Because you are going to write the exam in your own handwriting. वहां पे कंप्यूटर, लैपटॉप, आपका स्मार्टफोन कोई काम नहीं आएगा, सब बाहर रखवा देंगे. Only thing which is going to help you is your pen and your hand and your mind. वो आपने लिखना है. वो कैसे रजिस्टर होगा? If you put it in the computer, in your memory, मेरे पास डाटा है, बहुत अच्छा डाटा है, बिल्कुल है, पर वो डाटा कंप्यूटर का है, इसका नहीं है. This has to convert into this. So you have to develop, and that linkage will develop only when you write in your own handwriting, even while making notes. That's the only way for this exam. Because, see, if you take this, have a small notebook on government schemes. And prepare an index. M, this scheme will come. From various sources, of course, authentic government sources. What is Manrega? Write that, full form, when it started, who are the beneficiaries, etc., etc. Then, what changes have been brought by the present government? What is that? Transfer of amount directly into the bank account, direct transfer,